Okay, in this video we're going to prove the 30, 60, 90 triangle proof. So with a 30, 60, 90 triangle, the 30 degree corresponds to the x, the 60 degrees corresponds to square root of 3 times x, and then the 90 degrees correspond to 2x. And so let's kind of prove it. Now the hypotenuse leg theorem states that two triangles are congruent if the hypotenuse is equal, one leg is also equal, and they are right triangles. So what I'm going to do is draw a vertical line down, and this is called the altitude. And this right here is a right angle. So right now we have a 90 degrees, 60 degrees, 90 degrees, 60 degrees. Therefore that this angle measure would be 30 degrees. Likewise, this would also be 30 degrees. So if you want to, you could use this. Hypotenuse is the same, one leg is the same. The altitude leg is the same because they both share it, and you have a right angle. Now, if this is 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees, therefore this would be half. So this is 2x, it's going to be half. So now this will be x, and this will be x. So right now we've established this is 2x, this is x, this is x, this is 2x. So, and we also know this is a right angle. So we could use Pythagorean theorem. So let's just kind of draw one of the triangles. So right now I'm just going to draw one of these triangles. I know this is 2x, I know this is x, I know this is 60 degrees, and this is 30 degrees. And so if I want to find this altitude, or we can call it b, we can just use Pythagorean theorem. So x squared plus b squared is equal to, parentheses, 2x, close it, squared. And so we get x squared plus b squared is equal to 2 squared. So 2 times 2 is 4, x times x is x squared. And so if we want to solve for b, minus x squared, and we would get b squared is equal to 3x squared. And so if you want to solve for b, square root on both sides. And so b is equal to the square root of 3 times the square root of x squared. And so b is equal to the square root of 3 times x. And so what we just now see is this piece right here is going to be the square root of 3 times x. And so we get it to match. 2x, x, square root of 3 times x. And that's pretty much it for this video.